Hey, hold up. Okay, we got this 2020 Kenworth, I think it's a model T880 grill. Got some damage on it. These things are about $4,000, so we're gonna see if we can repair this one pretty close. Make it look a lot better. So we fix to get started on it.
Everything moves a little better with heat in it, don't it?
That's right. I know if something's getting too hot, I'm moving, getting out of the way.
A whole lot easier to jump out of bed in the morning it warm than it is cold, ain't it?
Yeah, for real.
Just don't want to get it too hot and turn to chrome.
Well,
Probably just chrome plated, I'm sure. Not.
Is it chrome? Is it stainless? I think it's thin stainless.
Oh, is it?
I believe so.
I figured it's just like chrome plated, so.
No, I think it's thin stainless. One reason it's so high.
Alright. Back down, maybe.
Definitely ain't just moving it, is it? We better just put it on the ground.
Yeah, I hate to see it on the ground. Old sore toe.
All right, here it is, finished product. It's not perfect.
Well, don't call it finished. It's,
Yeah,
it's roughed out as far as we go.
Yeah, it'll go back on the truck. It'll look good on the truck. It'll work. I mean, if we really wanted to work at it, it come out
really
real
get
nice.
paid.
Yeah, if we was getting paid, hey. But hey, we saved $4 grand. Looks decent. It'll bolt on the truck, shine it up, be like brand new almost. 256 garage out.